Karan, was there any situation like there was a long-term project and during the mid of the project, few key resources left and you had to replace them, and because of that, the delivery timeline or profitability of the project was affected?
Sometimes it does happen. Problem is that we have a decent notice period. We clearly tell whenever we are hiring minimum 45 days to 90 days, we have a notice period. So if somebody leave with us, they are a key stakeholder. If they leave, obviously nobody can manage it. We ensure that all the expectation of client and the companies is met. Okay. We just can't leave just like that. I am just telling the reality. I clearly ensure that the respective employee or developer need to fulfill all the needs of client and us, which we planned earlier. Okay. Even
Right.
see, we won't let people go out just like that. I mean, our attrition ratio is quite less.